Hello and welcome to the video on Power BI. In this video, let us take a look at different sorting options that are available in Power BI. For the purpose of this video, I am considering a Power BI report that has connected to AdventureWorks TW 2022. So as a representational graph, we have a table which has the columns year, month and sales amount. Let's say that I want to show year and month separately. I don't want a combination of year and month together and sales amount. So for the purpose of this, I'm going to create a new column which I've already done. So if you see here, I've created a new column as month name, which is using the month number of year, and based on 1, 2, 3, 4, it's going to create, I've had a abbreviation of month names. So let me change my columns here with the new month name column. So that I've changed year, month name and sales. As you see here, the sorting is now broken. So here if you see, it's sorted properly, like 2017 July, August, September, October, November, December, and then Jan to December. That's how it goes. Whereas in this case, if you see, the sorting is broken. So how do I fix this? So for the purpose of fixing this, we have an option to set up the custom sorting. Whenever you click on a certain column, you have certain features that are enabled for a column. So one such feature is sort by column. If you click on the drop down here, it says what are all the columns that are available for you to sort this month name column. So basically it means like this month name column can be sorted by any of these columns available. Now in this case, what I'm going to do is like I'm going to click on month number of year. So the moment I click on month number of year, as you can see here, the sorting is now fixed. So 2017 July, 17 August, 17 September. So it goes from July to December, and then 2018 starts, it goes from Jan to December. So this is one way of sorting. So what are all the other options to sort? Now for the purpose of this demo, I'm just going to take it back to the previous state. So now that this sorting is basically broken. So here the year comes, then month, then sales amount. The month name is sorted by alphabetical order. So when you click on these three dots, you have an option to sort by. So here you can define if you want to sort by sales amount or month name or year. So in this case, the month name is sorted by ascending order. Let's say that I want to sort by descending order. I can click the month name here, and then the sort descending should be clicked. So here you see that the month name gets sorted. So I want this, the same thing can be achieved just by clicking on the column names as well. So here we are sorting by year. If you want to sort by month, this is the way. And if you want to sort by sales amount, you can just click on the sales amount, and re-clicking this is going to change the sort order from ascending to descending. So this is one such way to perform the sorting. So let's go to a different page here. So I have three visuals here. So one is a chart, basically a line chart that is showing the sales by year. I have a matrix which shows the sales by year, group, region, and orders and sales is what it is showing. The same matrix I'm having it as a table format. So I'll show you why I'm using the same data in two different formats. But before that, as you can see in this top graph, you see that the sort order for the year is messed up. So how do we fix this? Just click on these three dots, come to sort axis, and you can click on year. So this is going to sort. Now the year is sorted by ascending order. So you can basically change it to descending order by going back to this and clicking on this descending. So this is one way to sort. Now that I'm going to expand it one level down, as you see here, now we are showing the same data of total sales but by year and month. Again here the year sorting is broken. How do I fix this? The same approach works with these charts as well. So I click on the column name, go to sort by column, and select the month number of year. So the moment I click on the month number of year, as you see here, the sorting is completely fixed. So this sort by column works seamlessly across all the different types of visuals. So the same, let's say that I'm having that same month name in both of these visuals, you would have noticed that the sorting is working completely fine in these visuals as well. Okay, so now coming back to this visual, so there is one other way to sort. what do we do when we want to sort by multiple columns? If you see here, when we click on these three dots, you have an option to define based on which column the things should be sorted. So let's say that I'm clicking on year. Now the data is getting sorted by year. I want to also sort by group. So when I click on the group, the sorting changes to based on group. So likewise, when I click on any column, the sorting is going to get changed based on that column. But let's come to a scenario wherein I want to sort by year, and then in year I want to sort by group. Then within that I want to sort by region, and then within that I want to sort by country. How do I do that? So for the purpose, I'm just going to do a control click here. What happens? So the control click doesn't work, which is the usual case in any multi selections. So for this purpose, what you will have to do is, let's say that I'm clicking on the year. So now the year is sorted by ascending order. I will have to click on shift and then click on the next column on which I want to sort. So now this table, it gets sorted by year, and then if the year is same, it goes and looks for the group. Now since the group is also same, I want to sort it further by region. So which means in this year, in this group, I want to sort by region. Shift and click. So it is going to now sort by three columns. Now let's say that all these three are sorted by ascending order. I want to change this region sort by descending order. What would I do? I select shift and then re-click this region. So due to which what happens is, year is sorted by ascending order, group is sorted by ascending order, and region is sorted by descending order. Now I come back to the fourth column. So let's say the region is same for a couple of cases. So in that case, I might want to again sort by country. For example, here if you see, you have southwest, southeast, northwest and northeast, four regions, but it is going to be within the same country. So in which case what I can do is, I can go and select, do a shift and select the country also. So now this country is going to be sorted based on region. Let's do a simple change here. I'll move the country one level above region. So now if you see, for the year 2017, for the group North America and for the country United States, the region is getting sorted by descending order. Now let me select shift and click on region again. So as you will see here that now the region column alone is sorted. So this way you can sort for any number of columns in Power BI table visual. So now let's go and do the same for matrix visual. I'm clicking on year, which is going to sort the year by ascending order, then shift, click on group. No, it doesn't work. So this multi-column sort is applicable only for the table visual. So when I click on these three dots and go here, you can see that my table visual is sorted based on these four columns. Whereas I do the same approach in the matrix, it is not going to work. So I'm doing a shift and select, but it is just sorting by one column. It's not taking into consideration all the other columns. So I'm clicking on the total sales now. So now you see that the data is sorted completely by total sales in descending order. I also now go and select the orders. So even the sort based on the value for multiple columns doesn't work in matrix visual. On the other hand, let me select the total sales in this table visual. Now the data is sorted by total sales. I go and select the orders. So in this case, what happens is, it first sorts by the total sales, and when two countries or two combinations have the same sales value, it goes and see for orders, and then it sorts based on the order. So that's all in this video of Power BI for sorting columns in Power BI. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for more similar videos.